Traveling soon? While Bank of America says it's not always necessary, setting a travel notice can prevent your card from being frozen for suspicious activity. Let me show you how. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. It's a simple proactive step that tells the bank, I'm the one using my card in this new location. It's better to be safe than sorry when you're far from home. The easiest way is through the mobile app. Log in, go to the Help and Services section, and find Travel Notices. You'll enter your destination, travel dates, and the specific cards you're taking. You can also do this online by logging into your account and managing your card settings. The process is very similar. And that leads to my crucial pro tip, notify for layover cities too. If you have a long layover in another city or country where you might make a purchase, include that location in your notice. Fraud algorithms are very sensitive to geographic jumps. So, just like that, you've added a layer of security to your travels and peace of mind to your trip. What's the farthest you've traveled where a travel notice came in handy? Let me know down in the comments, and subscribe for more clear-cut guides like this one. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.